Hi everyone, Joe Watkins here from Epoch AI Consulting. So I was at a networking event in Cheltenham yesterday talking about my new vibe coding course, and the number one question I got was, "What on earth is vibe coding?" So I realized within these videos, I need to take a step back. So today, let's do a quick AI 101, so you can actually get to use these tools to grow your business. So number one, the basics. First, let's just talk about AI. What is AI? AI is an umbrella term. When people talk about AI today, they usually mean generative AI, tools like ChatGPT that can actually look and create new things like text, images, or even code. Next up is prompting. So prompting equals instructions. So if you hear someone mention prompts, just think instructions. Whether you're asking for a Netflix recommendation or help with a business case, a prompt is just you telling the AI what to do. Nothing too complex. And since most models are now what's known as multimodal, it's where they can use voice, image, and video, you can prompt them with more than just text. So you can record your voice, you can send an image, you can upload a video. There's lots of ways to prompt AI these days. Three, let's think about agents. Agents are the thinkers. Think of an agent as ChatGPT with a reasoning brain, one where it can talk to itself. So instead of just asking a question, an agent creates a plan. It talks to itself, it checks its work, and it can even look at data outside of its own training. So beyond just the data that it was built on, which makes it really powerful. And today, agents are able to act like junior employees within a business. And then finally, the big one, let's talk about vibe coding. So what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is using those prompts and agents to build software without knowing how to code. So business owners, you can build fully functional marketing sites in hours. You don't need WordPress. You don't need expensive dev fees. When I was speaking to one business owner yesterday, they were like, "Yep, where's the data? How does it work? Like, where's WordPress?" And then I was like, "There's no WordPress. It's just the code. It runs. It's really powerful. You can break free of those templates and build really cool stuff." Designers, you can take Figma design and turn it into a live site yourself. So go beyond just that building the wireframe, building the Figma, and then handing it over to a developer who then will build that site for you. You can now offer that as a service. And finally, founders, you can build functional MVPs to test your customers with your customers before spending a penny on development teams. So making sure you have that product market fit early on without having to make big investment and then be able to iterate really quickly with customers. It's about moving at the speed of your ideas. So if you want to learn how to do this yourself, I'm running a session in Cheltenham on February 26th from 9:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon. I'll put the Eventbrite link in the comments. So yeah, stop paying for basic dev work and start vibe coding. And have a great Tuesday, everybody. Thanks.